Welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Birmingham, and today I'm going to show you around this amazing A-Class Bürstner Ixeo 727. As you can see, it's got a full length awning, electric entrance step, alloy wheels, full leather upholstery, and it's got a Comfortmatic gearbox. Have a look inside, there's plenty more going on. Well, if the motorhome hasn't amazed you, I'm pretty sure the video did. And if it did, there's plenty more across social media.